Skip this, and junior DevOps engineers are overtaking your career by mastering automated deployment techniques, leaving you to deal with the aftermath of manual deployment mistakes, such as the one that occurred when a Linux admin caused 30 minutes of downtime during a deployment. What it does: automating zero downtime deployments using Ansible and Docker Compose is a process that ensures new versions of applications are rolled out without interrupting the service, by using rolling updates, health checks, and automatic rollback. This approach minimizes the risk of downtime and data loss, and allows for quick recovery in case of deployment failures. Command example. Breaking it down. The Ansible playbook defines a deployment process that consists of 3 tasks: pulling the latest Docker image, deploying the Docker container with a rolling update, and rolling back to the previous version if the deployment fails. The Docker Compose file defines the web application service, including the image, ports, and deployment configuration. The deploy section in the Docker Compose file specifies the number of replicas, update parallelism, and delay, as well as the restart policy. Common mistakes. One common mistake is not properly configuring the health check, which can lead to the deployment failing even if the application is healthy. Another mistake is not setting the correct parallelism and delay values, which can cause the deployment to take too long or cause downtime. Additionally, not having a proper rollback strategy can lead to extended downtime in case of deployment failures. Try this next. To practice automated deployment, try deploying a simple web application using Ansible and Docker Compose, and test the rolling update and health check features. You can also try simulating a deployment failure and verifying that the rollback works as expected. Pro tip: in production environments, it's essential to monitor the deployment process and the application's performance closely, and to have a clear understanding of the deployment workflow and the potential failure points. By using automated deployment tools like Ansible and Docker Compose, and by following best practices such as rolling updates, health checks, and automatic rollback, you can minimize the risk of downtime and ensure a smooth and reliable deployment process.